Marion County Court Relocation. Hey everyone, it's attorney Matt Crow's Marc Lopez law firm. With me today I have
Zach Bailey.
And we want to talk to you guys a little bit about the relocation of Marion County Courts. What used to happen is we had the city-county building downtown on Washington Street where all the courts kind of took place. You had civil courts, criminal courts. That has now changed. So we have this new building, the Criminal Justice Center. No longer does the courthouse look like a tower from a Little Mermaid or anything like that. You don't have any issues with that. It's a beautiful building. But Zach, give me the rundown. Where's this new building?
So it's going to be off Southeastern Avenue, sort of on the southeast side of the city at 675 Justice Way. And it's the biggest building over in that area. So it's going to stick out as you get close to it.
Absolutely. You cannot miss it. It's actually fairly easy to get to, minus some construction going on, but they have to accommodate for increased traffic. Now, one of the craziest things about the new courthouse is there's not designated courtrooms just yet, so it creates a little bit of an interesting scenario of, hey, where's my court hearing in any given morning? Hey Matt, hey Zach, hey Bree, where is my hearing going to be? Right now, that's a little bit in flux. We don't know the answer to that until the morning of court. But Zach, give us kind of the rundown. What does it look like? You know, we walk in, how are we going to know where to go?
So if anyone's ever been to an airport, they're kind of familiar with this. When you walk in, you see a list of all the arriving and departing flights and where that gate's going to be. It's similar to that. So you walk in and there's going to be big screens and kiosks, and you're going to look for your name to see where your court is going to be that day. And they'll open up the courtroom a half hour before your scheduled court time, so you can come into the building, and you'll look at that board or those kiosks, find your name, and go to that courtroom. So it's going to be a little bit different than what we're used to, but I think it's going to be pretty self-explanatory once you get there.
It's 100% right, and it's actually very, very easy to navigate because as soon as you walk into the doors, you're actually guided, staring directly at these giant docket boards, and then beneath those you got the kiosk so you can type in your name, all sorts of information, and then you got security directly to your left. So you walk through security and you're kind of in this little giant gathering area. You go to the left, kind of funnel around. It looks like a horseshoe. I don't think it's got anything to do maybe with the Colts. I don't know. I wasn't part of the design. But if you go to the left, there's going to be a bank of elevators, and you can go to and you take the elevators. And if you're watching this video, the odds are it's a criminal matter that you're going to go to. The easiest thing to do, the criminal courts are going to be on one of five floors. 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. So if you walk into court, there's a giant gathering of people in front of these docket boards. You can't really see. Here's a sneaky tip for you. Take the elevators. If you're for a criminal matter, that is, take the elevators up to the 4th floor because these docket boards are on every floor. Kind of a little sneaky trick, but don't tell anybody. All right? Just if you're watching this video, don't go spreading out the cool rumors. The hardest part about it, like we said, is the uncertainty. And we understand that. It's going to be different for us. It's going to be different if you're charged with a crime. But this is a good thing. The courtrooms, they're huge. They're beautiful. The technology, we're finally into the correct era of time. So it's a great upgrade and something Marion County has been needing for years now. If you have any questions at all, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.